Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Guide. In today's tutorial episode, I'll be helping you learn how to log into AT&T account. AT&T is a division of AT&T that focuses on mobile phone, broadband, fixed line telephone, home security, network security, and business services. To log into AT&T account, go to your web browser and in the URL box, type in att.com. From the official website of AT&T, tap on the profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Now, from the menu, tap on Sign In. On the next page, you'll need to enter your credentials in order to log into your account. In the first text field, type in your user ID. In case you forgot your user ID, tap on Forgot User ID link and follow the instructions to look for your user ID. After you're done, move on to the next field and enter the password for your account. You can double check your password by tapping on the Show button at the corner, and doing this will reveal your password so that you can double check before logging in. In case you've forgotten your password, tap on the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset your password. If you are using a public device or a shared device, make sure to uncheck this box saying Save User ID. If you don't have an account yet, you can tap on Create One Now at the bottom and register yourself to a new account first. After you're done entering all the credentials needed, tap on the Sign In button and you'll be logged into AT&T account. That is all for today. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll surely be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.